since we're here now. How long has it been again? Like 2 months since I last uploaded? My bad. I just recently have to blame Jungle Penguins on the Discord real quick just because he alluded to something that I didn't know existed really before. Well, watch me save a Deora 2. So what I have here is a Nathan Proch Deora 2 from the 19th annual convention. Now this is to celebrate Nathan Proch's 10-year anniversary working at Hot Wheels. Now, I'm gonna make a video on Nathan Proch later, and I think it's really something that touches close to most Hot Wheels fans' hearts, just because, well, and especially Acceleracers fans, because I mean, he made the Deora 2, and that's probably one of the most iconic cars in the Hot Wheels history. So, my money went, woo! But, it's thanks to you guys that I'm actually able to even get these, because, if you didn't know, I have a merch shop. Oh my goodness, that's crazy, right? I've said this before. I've got masks now, as you can totally see from here. And if you check my Instagram, you would know. If you want to be a Hot Wheels nerd like I am, in public, well, just buy my masks. Duh. I got this one. Let's go. Matches my shirt. If you want to rip Metal Maniacs, baby. Just look at that. It's so soft and comfortable. It does kind of touch your mouth a bit. If you don't like that, just letting you know. You want some battle spec, baby? I've got that. I've got that all. If you got any requests for masks, I can totally do that too. I've been trying to get them done. Now, some of these have like little white lines. That's the printer. That's not my problem. That's the printer's problem, not my design. So if you see that, call Redbubble and they'll probably send you another one. And then last but not least, monkey! Okay. Now that I've done shilling out to y'all, so I accidentally bought 2 of these because I'm a crazy mad lad that just wants Deora 2 way too much, I think. Now I bought the shirt that was signed by Nathan Proch, which I'll show in a bit, but since I only have a fixed camera, can't show it at the moment, it'll probably be edited in. So, at the moment, I have 2 of these. Now, the problem with Deora 2, and I've stated it before in my previous video, which you can watch up here, and that little iCard, click it. Why don't you click it, please? Anyway, these 2 are 1 in 2,000, so which one out of 2,000, we don't know. The interesting part is that one of these has a sticker and one of these doesn't. Now, I accidentally bought one without the sticker, and I didn't notice that there was even a sticker in the first place, because, you know, I'm a dummy and I'm just buying off eBay, and I was really bad with my money, so you can just... Anyway, that's not the point. It says evening with Nathan Proch. Now I would get closer, but I'll take some pictures of this later just because I can't exactly show it with all my lighting set up. It's not the best look. I mean, like, my light is just not on me. I'm terrible at this YouTube thing. Why did y'all subscribe to me? Anyway, so Nathan Proch, October 6th, 2005. I thought that was just way too important of a date to not have a sticker of. But yeah, so today we're just gonna try and save these, well, these icons of design. It's my money that got used here. I know some people will get really mad that I'm trying to open these and save them. I mean, otherwise they would just get rubber band dealt with. So I already mentioned that iCard. I'm first gonna do it on this one just to test it out. I probably will speed this up so that y'all don't have to watch me go ooh. Ooh. And I know people, again, won't like that I'm opening Hot Wheels. It's okay, you don't have to agree with it, but there's something about wanting to save the paint and save it. There's not going to be able to restore it. Oh, crap. Okay, I didn't bend it. Yay! Don't worry, it's not yellow. That's the case that it came in when it shipped to me. So, as you can already see with this one, it's already got some of that rubber band wear and tear. Look, it even like already dry rotted. This is the problem here, right? There it goes. Okay, so as you can see, there's some of that craziness right there. It's kind of important to try to not have that. I'm going to be using an X-Acto knife. I'm going to be using super glue. So it says this model commemorates Nathan Proch's 10 years as a Hot Wheels car designer. The Deora 2 was introduced as a one-of-a-kind large-scale model in the charity auction at the 12th annual Hot Wheels Collectors Convention, which was 7 years ago. And 1998, it first appeared in the Hot Wheels vehicle lineup in 2000. Nathan Proch and Mick Wilmot collaborated on the special anniversary Tampo. The convention logo was created by Jerry Fianfrisidihi. I'm so sorry if I messed up your name. I can't say that word. Yeah, we'll see what happens. This is not really going the way I wanted it to, and I feel like I should just stop before I make it worse, but it's already in bad state. If I stop now, I won't. Open Deora 2 Nathan Proch 10th anniversary collector's car, and there was really no other way I could get this out, so I think I'm gonna wait till I open this one. I'll probably try to do that paint lacquer trick. This was honestly the most stressful thing I've ever done in my life, and I kind of ruined it. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, you can pretty much call me out in the comments and say, wow, you suck at opening Hot Wheels cars, and you would be right. I feel like it would have been better if I just tried to open it normally than with the X-Acto knife. Shit, well, my light just fell. I can't see now. I'm gonna try and get these rubber bands off, because they're ruining the paint even more. I'm so stressed out. How? How did you fall? How in the... My light has been the absolute worst to me, because it's supposed to be nice to me, and it's not. So I'm gonna try and get this off, and then I think that'll be the end of the video, because I don't really want to ruin the other one just yet. Well, ruin. My God! Why? Man, these surfboards just... At least they still look nice. They don't look like my other one, which is... I'm surprised this came out really well, actually. I'm kind of just using some alcohol to try and get that gelatin stuff from the rubber bands off. That's the problem with the Deora 2. It really wasn't meant to stay in the box. Do I need a light anymore? I guess not. So much for having a light. We're not gonna open it. I opened one. I don't want to open another one without the proper tools this time. With all of that, now I have a Deora 2 10th anniversary out of the box. If you want to support me, because I just spent a lot of money on this, you can go to the merch shop, like this, boom boom. You can support me on Patreon, follow me on all my social media accounts. I know I didn't change the links, so I just changed the name. JC Squared is the new name. Yes, it's true. I forgot to intro with that. Yes, the name is JC Squared. Here we go. Yeah. Join the Discord. Forgot about that. Bye!